Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay yung 6 love reading, meaning bubunot ako ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main reading, overall energy, and main energy ng reading ninyo today. At para ito sa lahat ng Pisces. Okay? And then, bubunot tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the supporting energy or supporting cards of the main cards. Okay? Sige. So, hello sa lahat ng Pisces. At habang binabasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support. Please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. And comment na sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate yung reading sa inyo. At sa mga bago, gusto ko ring sana kayo imbitahin na supportan na aking channel by subscribing para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost kong videos and by liking this video as well. Okay? Sana mag-grow na yung channel ko para mas marami pa akong maggawang love readings para sa inyo. Maayos ko rin yung setup ko and marami pa akong magawang mga pakulo. Kaya rin 6 ngayon dahil ang number 6 in numerology ay a nurturing energy. It's like the mother card or mother energy, number 6. So, kaya yun yung something then that we would want to manifest in our love and connection and love and relationship. Okay, sige, I'll get the 6th card as well. First card, okay, Queen of Wands. The Empress, nice. The Hierophant. The Chariot. Ten of Wands. And Nine of Pentacles. Okay. And then, bunot tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. And as I always remind everyone in my channel na what I do here is a collective and general love reading. It means na tinatap ko yung energy ng lahat ng Pisces. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay, abangan nyo na lang yung masusunod ko pang love reading. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na sa channel na to. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal and private reading kasi mas okay yun, mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo at naka-tune in yun sa inyo talaga. So, yun. Sige. So, first card, 8 of Wands. Oops, sorry. Page of Swords. The Empress ulit, okay. The Sun, oh nice. Okay, 3 of Wands. And last, 3 of Cups, okay. Yan. Very good naman and positive yung energies generally ng reading ninyo. Okay, so you might be dealing, especially with the Empress, there's a very strong energy of the Taurus energy here. Your person may also be somewhere with the Hierophant. The Empress, the Hierophant, has this Taurus energy. But you might be also dealing with Leo, okay, and a Cancer. So, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka Taurus, Leo, and Cancer din sila sa mga placements na yun. Pero napakalakas ng Taurus energy here. Anyway, so this person is a very loving person. Lalo na nag-resonate at nag-double confirm yung Empress dito. Innately, alam mo yun, very caring, very passionate, very thoughtful itong person ninyo. Love na love ka nitong person nila. So, there's so much abundance when it comes to love. Parang nag-uumapaw talaga sa pagmamahal yung binibigay ng person mo sa inyo. Okay? So, and especially with the Queen of Wands here as well. Queen of Wands, may pagka-empress energy din siya. So, it's providing this, parang meron kayong deep connection talaga sa isa't isa. And that with the Hierophant here, you have similarities, may pareho ang yung belief system, pareho ang yung point of view when it comes to relationship, pareho kayo ng relationship goals, and you're really committed to this relationship. Okay? Walang may loyalty, very nag-a-align din talaga yung mga values ninyo. And with the Chariot card here, it's really, you're taking action and very clear yung intentions ninyo sa isa't isa, and that is to love each other properly and providing each other's needs. And ang dami yung challenges na na-overcome, di ba? Especially like here with the Ten of Wands here na nakakabit kay Pentacles, which is yung mga responsibilities ninyo, hindi siya, though minsan, syempre, nag-uuma po yung responsibilities and it overwhelms the both of you. Pero because kinikerry nyo ng sabay, pareho yung mga challenges sa relationship, hindi lang yung isa yung nagdadala, nare-resolve nyo agad siya. And here, especially with the Nine of Pentacles showing up here alongside with the Ten of Wands, na nalalampasan nyo talaga yung and nagiging free kayo from those burdens kasi nga nagtutulungan kayo when it comes to the challenges ng relationship. And if we go down here, first gusto ko lang yan na nag-confirm lang yung nurturing energy ng person niyo with the Empress, and some are very happy talaga kayo together. But at the same time, with the Eight of Wands here, talagang there's yung momentum nung growth and nung maayos na relationship dynamics ninyong dalawa is talagang nagtutuloy-tuloy siya. You have the Chariot here and the Eight of Wands, medyo same yung energy nila. It's like really moving forward, progressing siya. And with the Page of Swords here, there's this a lot of, parang kahit matagal na kayo and may commitment na, parang kinikilala nyo pa rin yung isa't isa. Okay? There's still this feeling of parang sense of not really getting to know, pero curious pa rin kayo sa mga kaganapan ng bawat isa. Parang hindi siya, di ba may mga ibang relasyon kasi na parang once na nalampasan na yung getting to know stage, tapos naging committed na, parang okay, yun na yun. Tapos na. Pero kayo, dalawa, very maganda yung dynamics ninyo na up until now, even if years na kayo magkasama, parang you still learn from each other. Yun. So, and that's making the relationship very happy. As shown here with the Sun card, sobrang saya nyo sa isa't isa. And you feel na this relationship is a successful one. And it shows naman with the dynamics nga. Some more with the Three of Wands and the Three of Cups pa na magkasama, which is a card of really collaboration and supporting each other, plus with the Three of Cups here, plus the Three of Wands, which is a card of romance, adventure, diba? Working together romantically, and in terms of the taking action talaga din sa mga kailangan yung roles, responsibilities, mga obligations ninyo sa relationship. sa isa't isa, it's really doing well. Especially here with the Three of Cups na showing up here. It's like sharing good and happy memories together. So very nice. I'm happy for the Pisces guys and gals here. Kasi very good yung energy na nasagap natin ngayon. And I hope it resonated sa inyo. And if hindi pa, try to manifest this very good energy. So yan, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay, use this reading with discernment always. Kahit sa mga other videos kung papanoorin ninyo siya, use it as a guide. You always have your free will to do what you want. Hawak nyo pa rin sa inyong mga kamay ang inyong kapalaran. Huwag mag-rely sa mga tarot and oracle readings, lalo na sa mga collective and general reading, dahil nga it may or may not resonate, or some parts will resonate, some hindi. So, but I hope na nakatulong ito to guide you or give you awareness lang dun sa mga energy, kasi we're working on energy. Minsan din natin napapansin na okay, ganito pala siya, or minsan na-feel natin siya or na-experience natin siya, pero parang hindi din tayo fully aware na okay nang nangyayari ngayon. Pero with Tarot and Oracle, it helps you parang open your eyes more on what's going on between you and your person. So anyway, sana nakatulong ito, and kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!